About 7 years after he was awarded the Nobel Prize, Tagore received a letter from an Englishwoman.
Dear Sir Rabindranath, I have been trying to find courage to write to you ever since I heard that you are in London. But the desire to tell you something is finding its way into this letter today. The letter may never reach you, for I do not know how to address it, though I feel your name upon the envelope will be sufficient. It was nearly 2 years ago that my dear eldest son went out to the war for the last time, and the day he said goodbye to me. We were looking together across the sun-glorified sea, looking towards France with breaking hearts, when he, my poet son, said those wonderful words of yours, beginning at, "When I go from hence, let this be my parting word." And when his pocketbook came back to me, I found words written in his dear writing with your name beneath. Would it be asking too much of you to tell me what book I should find the whole poem in? The writer was Susan Owen, mother of war poet Wilfred Owen. The verse was from Gitanjali. That Wilfred Owen truly did cherish it is shown by the fact that he wrote it on the back of a message form in early 1917, 18 months before he said goodbye to his mother in August 1918. The Owen story speaks of the power of Tagore's verses.
অসীম তুমি বাজাও আপন সুর, আমার মধ্যে তোমার প্রকাশ তাই এত মধুর। সীমার মাঝে অসীম তুমি বাজাও অসীম তুমি বাজাও আপন তোমায় আমায় মিলন হলে সকলে যায় ফুলে, বিশ্ব সাগর ঢেউ খেলায় উঠে তখন দুলে। তোমায় আমায় মিলন হলে সকলে যায় ফুলে, বিশ্ব সাগর ঢেউ খেলায় আমার মধ্যে তোমার শোভা এমন সুমধুর, সীমার মাঝে অসীম তুমি বাজাও আপন সুর। আমার মধ্যে তোমার প্রকাশ তাই এত মধুর, সীমার মাঝে অসীম তুমি বাজাও